Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome or welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making a drink I like to call Purple Rain. Now this drink is absolutely stunning, has earthy notes with incredible layers of flavor, and it's absolutely delicious. You want to pull this recipe out whenever you want to impress your guests at a get-together. So, let's get started. So this is a really easy and simple recipe to follow and doesn't require many ingredients. I'm going to make 2 drinks in this video, so for that we're going to need 4 thin slices of grapefruit, and we're going to need 2 glasses of your choice that we're going to chill for about 15 minutes before making this recipe. Add ice to both glasses, squeeze 1 slice of the grapefruit into 1 glass, and then you just want to repeat that with your other grapefruit slice in the other glass. Now you want to place another grapefruit slice into the glass itself as garnishment, followed up by a few juniper berries, as well as the sprigs of rosemary. Now the star of this drink, you want to pour in 2 ounces of Empress gin into each of the glasses. And as a final topper, we want to add about 4 to 5 ounces worth of elderflower tonic into each glass as well. You can give this a stir using the sprigs of rosemary, but with that, this drink is ready to be served and enjoyed. I hope you all truly enjoyed learning how to make Purple Rain. A really elegant drink option for a cocktail party or a close friend get-together. For a slightly different flavor profile, try adding a splash of lavender extract to this drink to stay on that purple theme. But once you get your hands on some Empress gin, be sure to tag me when you try this recipe at home because I'd love to see your take on this delicious drink. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this drink. And if you did, make sure to smash that like button for me. It really helps the channel out by boosting it in YouTube's algorithm so that more people can see this recipe. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Victor and welcome to Chef Vic Cuisine. It's my goal to release new recipes each and every week that you can make for yourself, your family, or your friends. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you click that subscribe button too. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you one of my favorite salads to make, a zucchini artichoke pasta salad. It really cooks up in no time and tastes absolutely amazing. I'm sure you're all going to really love this one. Well, thank you all so much again for watching. I truly appreciate the support. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like this recipe, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.